Okay guys, so today we're going to be recording Nico's new kitten.
Please do not copyright Landon. Because his room is covered with Marvel stuff and stuff.
Yeah, please don't copyright him.
Go! And make sure to like the video and subscribe.
Yes.
For more cute cat videos like this. Coming in the next week, I guess. You're stronger than last time. It's a cat jockey.
Oh,
It's a cat jockey. It's a cat jockey.
She's on my back. Ah.
It's a cat jockey.
Oh, she's so stupid.
It's a Nico jockey.
I love her because she's so stupid.
Okay, baby. Don't end it, please.
She's going to be on camera. Are you ready to be on camera?
Yeah.
You're going to be famous. She's like, what is happening? Here, you need people to see your face. Look. It's okay. Whatever. Fine.
Ow. Come on, get her. I can't. All right, let's get out of here. Ready? The kitten go.
Come on. Oh, you dummy. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Look, you're free. Whee. Oh, she's trying to jump. Come on, baby. Did you see how she runs? Do you want me to record? Can I record?
No, we're good.
Okay. She's so stupid. Where is she? There we go.
Cat cam. I can't.
Oh my gosh.
No.
No.
You're about to remove.
Ow, no biting. Where are you? No, don't go over there. Don't go over there.
Come on, get the camera. Please.
Sing.
All right, cat cam. Cat cam time. All right, let her go. Let her go.
Meow,
See
meow,
what she does.
meow,
Let's see
meow,
her
meow.
reaction.
Meow, meow,
Okay, let
meow,
her go.
meow, meow, meow.
3, 2, go.
No. How she runs is hilarious. Let's just spy on the kitty. Should we just spy on her?
Sure. What do you? Get her out.
Okay? I mean, we don't.
Go! Hazel's gonna attack.
Hazel? No.
What?
Give her to me. Touch her.
Okay.
What
I got. What? Okay. Bro.
Well, the moms will bite sometimes.
Oh no. Where is she? Oh, I think I see.
Nico, Landon, come over here and check out the snake.
Meow, meow. so annoying. Oh, there she is. Oh, look, and we also have these dummies. We have these idiots. Yeah. Hey! Hey! Get in there.
Yeah.
I never knew that.
You don't get out.
I've never read
Stay.
a book about
Okay, let's see.
snakes can poop.
Let's see. What is this?
Yeah, they have pretty nasty foods, to be honest. They eat rats.
Wait, can they eat rats? Can they? If this one gets loose and then this one gets loose, then this one right here, the brown one will die on the white. Or the white on the brown one. White or brown.
What is that?
Oh, yeah. Whichever one.
Bruh, she's so stupid.
Yes, she is. No, they're not leaving.
Just listen to her run. It's like she'll just like purr like. Okay, are you? Where are you? What is happening? Oh my! She does not want to be housed right now. Just don't hold her. Just spy on her. Okay. Zoom in 50%. Zoop. Please tell me she's not in. Oh, okay, she's not in there eating the rats. I will go this way. Okay, she's over here. Okay, zoom in 50%. Let's zoom in on these. You guys doing okay? You doing good? Okay, bye-bye. Okay. Oh man, she. Oh man.
What is Tucker holding now?
Oh no.
Snake.
Oh.
Their tongues aren't very wet. Not like a dog or cat.
I can move around with her.
Stop it, bro. No. 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 No, bruh. No.
She's taking off.
She'll just go right into the
Guys, this is just a
Yeah,
fish.
if you want some snakes,
Alright, which angle? I think it's,
you go wash your hands in the bathroom right over there. That way your
she's
hands
right here.
you should wash your hands. If you have no lizards or snakes or whatever.
Nothing there. Where is she? Oh, she's being a dummy.
Yeah, that's good. Because I guess
Bro.
it's like, I have hands
I'm gonna have so many battle scars after playing this kid.
Yeah, I don't know what type she is. My dummy.
Now I know what you
What the heck is this?
Yeah, there you go.
It's for, yeah, it's, might get you copyrighted. I'll tell you later.
Get these out, then I'll get the other one.
Get these stupid boots away.
Hold them if you want.
It's like, what if you hold this
Hey, 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 yeah, yeah.
It'd be pretty cool.
Baby. Guys, look, when you do this, okay. Look.
Oh yeah, my mother-in-law sent us some stuff in that.
Let me see the actual phone.
Well, there's actually a dead rat in it that we have to bury.
Landon, what if I hold the phone sideways?
Like this.
Yeah.
It's not gonna go well. It's gonna be sideways.
Okay, then I'll not do
It's
that.
like those other pink ones down there. That's all. Except it's gray.
Bro.
See what will happen? Will it wake up or will it attack me?
No, it's definitely not gonna wake up at this point.
What are you doing? Here, baby. we're gonna zoom into inside of her body. Ready, set. All right, let's zoom in inside of her body. All right, are you ready? Let's zoom in there. No, stop moving. Now. And where is she? Oh. Okay, let's zoom in.
Nothing.
And nothing. Come on. I'll try again. Oh. Guys, what? I'm kidding. Nothing. What are you doing? What are you doing? A fish. But let's get back to recording her. Oh. Okay, I'll be right back. I'm gonna. Okay, how are you done this doing? And yeah, still okay. Okay, whatever. Oh, finally. Oh no!
Yeah, they're like gummy
Don't bite,
bears.
please. No biting. No bite.
You can have one.
Don't bite. Don't bite. Don't bite. Want to end the video because it's like 11 minutes?
You don't end it. So
Okay.
much precious cat footage.
Yes, what are you doing? Oh, you dummy.
What is it?
Bruh, she is not smart. Like, she is so... Well, she acts smart. She does smart things usually. She just acts really dumb. That's how she is. I don't know. She's really weird. Okay, if you're wondering what if she flips this thing over, which you're probably not wondering, she will do this. She'll just be like, she'll just do that. That's what she'll do to it. I don't know how. Like, it's so weird. How does she do that? Like, what is this? I just did that now. Get those dirty feet away from here. Get those dirty feet away. Okay, what are you doing? Oh, meow.
Hope she doesn't make me bleed again. Why are you treating the phone like a face? I don't know. Hey. Where's Rosie?
I have no idea. Are you? Oh, there you are.
Cat cam 2000.0.
Oh, yes. The best cat cam yet. Don't touch her. Bro, don't touch her. That was the best cat cam yet. Bro, stop it. Cat cam. 5 hours of cat cam.
Oh, yeah, cool. I saw that on your hair. That's cool.
The cat cam is the best.
He fell down to the ground. He died.
No. Ow. Stop it. Ow, that hurt. Okay, fine. You stop it.
The cat box.
Yeah, the cat box. Okay, you do the cat cam now.
No, it opens itself.
Okay. Ow! Stop it.
Feels so good to have this back in my hands.
You're in trouble. You're in big trouble. Come on.
box is the cat cam box.
Ow, ow. Okay, go in the cat cam box. So people want to see you. Okay, go. Go to the cat cam box.
She's probably she knocked it over.
She's just like, Bert. She's just like, what is this beautiful thing? Okay.
Get her. Get her.
Where is she?
Get the bait out. Oh God! Put her in the cat cam box.
No, go in the cat cam. No.
Go in the cat cam.
Go. What? Okay. Cat cam box. No. Go. Go more. No. Go cat cam box. Bro, cat cam box. Oh my gosh. Okay, don't do anything. Oh. Why isn't this working? Oh, she's helping you.
Thank you. She's not in the cat cam.
Yeah, go in the cat cam, you dummy. Okay, is she like invisible to the cam? What the heck? Yo, what? Okay. Good enough. Oh,
Get in the cat cam.
I think you have to leave.
What time is it? Do you know what time it is?
I have no idea.
Oh yeah, I don't really have to leave soon because I
Yeah, but
on
I
school
think-
nights I have to leave from 6:30 through 6:30 through 6:45. So I don't have to go home until a while later.
Yeah, but like, you have to go home like soon because I have to eat dinner.
Rip it out.
Time to end the video.
Rip it out.
No, it's not actually time.
Okay, whatever then. Video's in it forever. Well, how much time is it gonna be? Like 20 minutes?
Probably.
Right, no one wants to watch this for 20 minutes.
No, dude. This is the epic cat video.
I want to play Captain America.
Now she's under there.
Little kitten. 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 I have captured the kitten.
They get out of the way.
Get the kitten. Get the kitten. Get the kitten. Get the kitten. Hey.
You're at 100% under.
Okay. 50 hours of nothing. Have a fun video, guys. 50 hours of nothing. Best video ever.
No.
Oh, bro, she's giving you.
She's mad at us, probably.
Look at this.
He's nice.
No, she's just mad at us.
No, she's not. She's being good. No, that's not being good. No.
Oh my god. I almost, because like Rosie looked kind of, I don't know why, but I almost told
I think she's mad at me and mad at me only.
Ow, what? What are you doing? I never knew that she could do this. One sec.
Get out of the way.
Rosie.
Can I take it, please?
Rosie, grab it.
Okay.
Alright. Is that the end?
Almost.
Oh, you trying to grab it? Oh, go.
Just end the video, bro. This
Almost.
is